Wishing a wonderful day to all of you. Welcome to online class of SST. Today we will start our new chapter, chapter 15, Early Humans. Today we live a better life in concrete flats and facilities with TV, video, schools and colleges, have variety of foods and better means of communication and transportation. But you can imagine a life without such facilities for us? A life where there is no big society, no house to live, no good food, no clothes to wear, and so on. How does it feel to listen? Yes, you are right. We are talking about the wildlife, and this was the life of none other than our early humans who used to live in jungle and lived a very hard life. In early days, human life was very hard. They spent their life in caves, wrap animal skin and trees leaves over their body, and hunt animals for food. Within time, they discovered many good things like fire, tools, farming, and so on that made their life better than earlier. But these changes in early humans' life had taken a very long time. Now let us read what is written here. The life of early humans was not like us. They lived in the forest, in caves, on tree tops. Clothes is the basic necessity of humans. They started wrapping trees leaves and animal skin over their body to protect themselves from cold and heat. But they needed food also to live. They do not know how to grow crops in the fields, and finding food was not easy. In search of food, they had to go from one place to another. Earlier, they used to eat fruits from trees or roots of plants. They started hunting and animals for food. Now let us read what is written here. They used bark of trees or skin of animals to cover their bodies. They roamed about from place to place in search of food. They ate fruits and roots of plants. They also ate raw flesh of animals. They used sharp stones for hunting animals. In start, early man started killing small animals for food, but they could not kill large animals with their bare hands. So they used sharp edges stone to kill animals. Early humans ate raw flesh as they did not know how to cook their food. One day, they saw sparks coming out from rubbing stones who were rolling down from the hills or some other way, and got idea to make fire by rubbing two stones. This was really a great discovery as now they were able to make fire. Now let us read what is written here. They learned to make fire by rubbing two stones. Slowly, they learned to use fire to cook their food. They roasted wild animals in fire. With time, they learned other uses of fire too. They found that they can light up their caves and protect their families from cold and wild animals using fire. Now let's have a quick recap. The life of early humans was not like us. They lived in the forest, caves, and treetops. They used bark of trees, skin of animals to cover their bodies. They roamed about one place to from place to place in search of food. They ate fruits and roots of plants. They also ate raw flesh of animals. They used sharp stones for hunting animals. They learned to make fire by rubbing two stones. Slowly, they learned to use fire to cook their food. They roasted wild animals in fire. So, today we discussed about hard life of early humans and their efforts to make it more comfortable. My dear students, today your homework is, where did early humans live? Now it's time to leave. Have a good day. Stay home. Stay safe. Thank you.